Okay, this is looking pretty good. You've got most of the pieces put together. I think there's just some little issues, some little misalignments. Like this piece looks like it could be got discrete rotate on. I don't want that. Maybe rotated and moved a bit. Um, and this yeah, so you don't want to, yeah, well, something's gone really wrong with the bevel here. So I think you beveled, first of all, see all these like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't need all of those. I'm going to go in the attribute editor here, click on this bevel, hit select and hit delete. And then let's just do that again. So what you did, I think, is you had the whole object, or at least most of the edges selected, and you beveled them. What we want to do is just this guy, this guy, this guy, and that guy. And then Control B, and then adjust the fraction and segments. And that's looking pretty good, like that. Just did 3 for smooth preview. This one, you missed the bevel on the other side, and I'm thinking you did that for a few of these, so look out for that. Again, this is another one of those where you beveled all of them rather than just the edges that were needed. Oh, this one didn't get beveled at all. So again, if I click on that, hit select and delete, it puts it back to this state. And really I should just need this one, Control B, just the fraction and segments, and you know. Okay, there's something went really wrong here. Looks like the bevel didn't work, and you have a few of them there. Select, delete, select. Oops. Uh-oh. That may have crashed Maya. Great. Yeah, well, when you start messing around with those history nodes, sometimes that happens. So in the case of this thing, I might just make it again. Oh, came back to us. Well, that's good. So I might not continue trying to delete those because it seems to not like that. But yeah, I might just follow the instructions, rebuild that again. It looks like you've got, yeah, again, this is very dense. So I think the recurring theme is only bevel the edges that need it, because you're beveling way more than that. This could be a little thicker. I would say that this could be thicker too. Um, yeah, maybe more like those proportions. And yeah, I didn't, in the video thing, I didn't round the bottom of the feet. Just the top. Yeah, and also I did it in 2 steps. If you watch the video, you'll find I did these corner ones first, because that's kind of more rounded. Kind of like that. And then grab those top edges. I'm just going to select all of these, but then hold down Control and deselect those. Control B, and something like that, I think, is more what the thing looks like with that harder edge on the bottom, the reference image, I mean. But yeah, overall this looks pretty good.